Hey everyone! Today I wanted to share with you why I love the Eve Lom Rescue Mask. My skin can be a little bit unpredictable. Sometimes it's more dry, sometimes it's a little bit oily, but I feel like whenever I use the Rescue Mask, it's super hydrating, super purifying, and detoxifying. I like to use the mask 2 to 3 times a week, and I especially love using it on Sundays, especially after I've had a long weekend. When you open the mask, there's going to be a little layer of water on the top due to the separation of the natural ingredients. So when you mix it up, you can really smell the camphor that's in there, which smells super fresh, almost a little bit like eucalyptus. This clay in the mask is infused with honey, so it's never gonna dry you out after you use it. So I'm gonna start by putting a good amount of the mask on the tips of my fingers and work it from my nose outward and all around my face. And when you're putting it on, it's super cooling. And you can also feel the chunks of almonds that are in here, which are just gonna work for extra exfoliation when you take the mask off. Right, so I usually leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, so I'll be right back. So now that the mask is dry, it doesn't feel tight and it's not really cracking on my skin, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove it with my muslin cloth from the Eve Lom cleanser. And you're gonna want the cloth to be a little bit damp, and it just gently glides off. I can already feel my skin feels super purified, super clean. And I love using this muslin cloth to take off the mask because it works with the ground almonds in the mask for that extra exfoliation on my skin. And once it's off, you can see my skin is glowing and it just feels super clean, super fresh.